first one who broke my heart. Hello mates! Good day to you. It is 16 degrees here in Australia, and I know that's not cold enough for some of you, but we're all having sniffles now. That means it is official. We're just here at skate park with Maddie waiting. I'm just gonna explain to you quickly what my vlog is all about for this week. I'll tell you the story of this bird we rescued for 24 hours, and as you can see in the title, it's I am just gonna pause here and let you see this vlog. I'm just gonna give it to the baby cockatoo. He's there. I think you're a corella, you're not a baby cockatoo. Doesn't want to be.
What?
You want to hop on? Hop on. Come on. You want to hop on? No. Come on. You want to do it?
Ethan gets seats lang that please.
Come on. Baby Him?
Ethan.
Oh. Oh. Hi.
Come on. Hop on.
I'll put it here so we'll eat.
Ethan.
Here, Daddy. So I'm gonna start with the story about the first one who broke my heart. It's when I was 6 years old. I was in kindy. We've always loved dogs. We are a family of 3. I am an only child. We have, I think, 3 or 4 dogs that time, but 1 puppy. I forgot the name of the puppy, but it's a male puppy. I used to live in an old house with a very wide space, and the dogs are just running around. But you know what puppies do? And that time we don't have a gate for that property. You know, puppies are very curious dogs because they're young and they don't know any better. So I guess the puppy ran to the highway, and yeah, I found when I went out of the house, when my mom called me, I found him lying there on the grass. Anyway, so he was gone because I saw the intestines coming out of the stomach, and my mom said that somebody ran over the puppy. Oh my goodness. That was the first time my heart was broken. It's like I was shouting, I was hysterical. I remember crying from our house. We used to ride tricycle from the house to the town, and we walk from the town proper to the school is 15-20 minutes. I cried for 30 minutes straight because I was so upset. I could never forget that one. You know that feeling when it's so painful that you just don't want to have another puppy because you know that you hurt so much the next time that you lost something so dear to you. So I could never forget that, and I told my mom that I will never have another puppy anymore. I think it took me 3 or 4 months. My mom got me another puppy, and yeah, that's the time I got my heart broken. So broken that I vowed not to have another puppy anymore. Thank goodness that, well, I just love pets and I love animals. You just can't say no to these creatures. So that was my first love.
Wait, Mommy, there's 2 more keys. Mommy, I'm gonna be running out. We have more bread. No more.
Okay, I can give you more.
Look, 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 look,
What happened?
look. There's a new one.
You mean the Corella?
Look, this is the one. Look,
Is that the one from last night?
yeah. Come on. Come on, mister. Well,
Tell me again what happened that morning when I asked you, so is the bird there still? What did you tell me?
So when I got up, I went out and he was dead on the trampoline. He's obviously very sick. That's why he came to us. And then I just took him over and buried him over in the bushes.
You didn't tell Ethan?
No, we didn't tell Ethan because he would get very upset. We told Ethan that it flew away.
White lies, white lies. Do you do it? Am I doing it? I'm not a fan of it actually. It's just better to sugarcoat stuff, especially with kids. You know what I mean. No, I don't encourage it, but sometimes you need to do it for the sake of the other person. But I don't encourage it. If you deal with adults, just adults, well, we can handle our emotions, and sometimes I'm just brutal. So, if I were you, what are you gonna tell Ethan? That the bird died or was just gone in the morning? If you ask me what I think there's no right and wrong answer. You can tell him the white lie or the truth, just like my mother when she told me about my pet. Well, I learned from an early age what broken-hearted feels like, and I didn't want to love another puppy again after how many months, but I tried. Sometimes you get lucky, and sometimes the dog gets old, and you know, dogs don't live forever. I learned that from an early age. You can try to sugarcoat or just say a white lie if you think that it's easier that way. That's the easier part, isn't it? So I don't think there's no right or wrong. It's just a choice. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye. There so you can get yourself off.